Today's day 10 of quarantine, and it is the spa edition. So I wanted to give just a quick update. It is day 10. We've got 5 more days left in quarantine, and man, I can't wait for it to be over. We will do another COVID test here in a few days, and then we'll do our last COVID test on January 2nd. And the first day that we'll get to see Ember will be January 3rd. And as far as the last couple days go, several of you have sent me messages asking where day 7, 8, and 9 were. Well, the days 7, 8, and 9 were lost due to me binge watching Yellowstone. Day 10, it's laundry day.